Welcome, today in front of me ODYS Thanos 10, and I'll show you how to change lock screen wallpaper on this device. So now we have the same wallpapers on the lock and home screen of our device, and to change the lock screen we should go to the settings section, and after that tap here to display section, then just click here to wallpaper and tap. Now we can select our new device wallpaper from our device photos or previously taken on our device, or for example downloaded from the internet, or also we can use the regular default wallpapers. In our case we have only the one here, so let's just let's just use the recent of our device photos, for example this one. And now just select this wallpaper, click here on the left upper corner to set wallpaper and tap to the lock screen. Now just wait a second and let's just lock the device, and now we can see that we just successfully changed our device lock screen wallpaper. By the same way, if you want to change the lock screen wallpaper but a little bit fastly, you can hold for a while the home screen, click here to wallpapers. By the same way, just select the photos or wallpapers from our device. For example, I'll use it just once and then just select. We have selected now this one, so let's use the second wallpaper. Just click to set, tap to the lock screen, and now we can see again the same wallpapers on our home screen, on our device lock screen. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.